currently Monday. It's so rainy and chilly here, and it feels so good. I could probably sit here all day long. Instead of starting work and getting busy for the day, I thought I would read a little bit of Little Women because this is definitely on my fall reading list, and I want to get it done so that I can start another good book. Please comment down below what book I should read next, because I want something cozy and fall. I'm not the quickest reader, and so it does kind of take me a minute because I only really read a couple chapters here and there, and oftentimes just on a plane. So I'm trying to read more instead of scrolling, and I thought I would just bring you through a little Monday reset in my life. I feel like recently I have been just kind of overwhelmed with social media. That's what I do for work. I can't even think about what I would be doing right now if I didn't be doing social media, because it always has been a passion and pursuit of mine. But I feel like my mind has just been so flooded with just like different ideas, being burnt out creatively. And so I feel like today I just want to like reset and really recenter with the Lord and just be like, Lord, what do you want me to create? How do you want me to better glorify you on an app that is so selfish? And so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're also going to just reset. I want to make a fall to-do list because it is the middle of October now, which is kind of crazy. And I have a fun trip coming at the end of October, which I will disclose the location a little bit further down into October. But I want to kind of prepare for that. I want to get the house in order, get some chores done. And because I'm self-employed, I really want to just lock in on Mondays and really just write out what I want to create for that week. So yeah, we're gonna have ourselves a little productive day. I just need to make this to also inspire you guys to get productive and also enjoy rest, because rest is so sweet and it's literally fabricated into every fiber of our being. Jesus got away so often just to be alone with the Father and find rest. God rested on the seventh day, and so give yourselves a day, give yourselves a Sabbath to be able to just sit with him. That's like the sweetest thing ever, and that's the most productive you can be, is in the Lord's presence. And let's get out of a little rut, stop getting on our phone for satisfaction or security, and start doing more fun things, more creative things that the Lord has given you. I wish that you guys could feel the breeze right now. It's raining every few minutes, actually. It like is on and off. And I made a sweet little latte. This is a maple sea salt whipped latte. All it is a double shot with milk. I do about like a flat white amount of milk, and then you do like 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon of maple syrup, salt, and a little bit of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract, and then you whip that together and put it on top. So yummy and giving all the fall vibes. Before we get into our to-do list for today, I'm gonna finish reading a chapter of this and I'll get back to you. I feel like this is giving fall, and I also just love it. We had NoahCon this morning, so Laney it is. I feel like playing things from a record player just makes the home so much cozier. Okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah. up earlier, but no, I need to take care of this, whatever is going on. I'm going to use this Bright Up curling tool. I also love getting ready in Gianna and Aubrey's bathroom because the lighting is just so good. I love a natural light, and that's why I'm so excited to have a house when I'm older, to just like have so many windows. I feel like apartments, it's really hard to get natural lighting. This is what the blowout is looking like so far. I haven't brushed it out yet, and I'm gonna leave this in for about 10 minutes maybe, and hopefully it'll look like a Pinterest worthy blowout. Here is the final result. Sometimes I wish I had shorter hair to be able to do like a really beautiful blowout, but this is the best it's gonna get. I'm trying to work with my bangs that I have, and so today they're kind of hidden within a curtain bang, so that's exactly what I was going for. Now let's go make some lunch, and then we will make our fall to-do list. While I wait on the food to warm up, I'm gonna call my mom because I miss her so much. Being a long distance daughter is the worst sometimes. So go call your mom or your dad or whoever you love today, and make sure you let them know that you love them and that you miss them if you're long distance like me. It is now time to plan for fall. So this is gonna be a very casual list. I'm not gonna go crazy or anything, but I do want to kind of get a good idea of what the rest of the month is gonna look like. I feel like I definitely want to go to this pumpkin patch that also has like a flower field and stuff with my friends, and so we'll definitely add that to the list. Carve pumpkins or paint pumpkins. I feel like painting them would be really fun, but I also love carving, so I'll put paint/carve the pumpkins that we get at the pumpkin patch. I want to do that one trend where you go to the store with your friend and you guys both pick snacks. You do chips, you'll do a drink, a candy, that type of thing. I want to do that, and I think I'm gonna plan that for Thursday night with Aubrey. Crochet. I want to crochet something. I don't know what. A book cover could be fun. I've done a book cover. But I'm trying to think of something that would be cutesy for fall. Maybe I'll do a bookmark. A bookmark could be really fun. I've seen the cute little pumpkin ones. We're gonna rewatch Gilmore Girls, which I already started rewatching it, I think at the end of summer, and I'm already on season 6, I believe. It's like such a good season. I eat up when Lorelai and Luke actually get together because you anticipate it for so long. Make a simmer pot. I love a simmer pot because it makes the home smell so good, and I really want to do this for like a football Sunday or something. I want to edit my fall playlist. I take pride in how good my fall playlist is, but I haven't updated it since last year, and so we're definitely gonna have to do that. Make boo baskets. I don't have a boo, but I do have 2 bestie girls that I live with, so I feel like it would be really fun to make a boo basket for them. So I'll probably do that towards the end of October. Make soup. I have always wanted to make homemade tomato soup. I've always just eaten it from the can, but I feel like that would be really fun. I also love a good chili, so that has to be in order. Finish 3 books. I'm currently reading Little Women, as you guys know, and I really want to push myself to read more through October, for October and November, so I want to finish that one, and then I'm gonna pick 2 other ones plus my Bible, obviously. Make sourdough. I got a sourdough starter kit from TikTok and I can't wait to use it, but I do need to invest in a Dutch oven. Also on my list is to make cinnamon rolls, and I don't need a Dutch oven for that, and so I should probably start on my starter now. Make a pumpkin slash ghost pizza. I love making homemade pizzas. I think they taste so much better than if we were to go get them. I keep seeing the pumpkin shaped ones or like the ghost shaped ones. And so that's at the top of the list for me. Movie marathon. That would just be so fun. I love a good film. I love a movie. I could probably watch movies all day, but I'm not gonna do that. But it could be fun if I tell my friends, hey, I'm gonna have this movie lined up from here, this movie, da da da, da, and you can like come and go as you please. I think that would be actually so fun. Paint with watercolors slash my coloring books. I did this so much last year. I just loved coloring with my thick markers. It was so therapeutic, and I really want to do that again. I also have watercolor paint, so little pumpkins and stuff would be so cute to make. I could be doing this while I'm also crossing off the movie marathon, so that's my list. That's pretty long, but I think we can do all of this. Okay, now I'm gonna actually get some work done before we need to go to prayer house tonight. I just found this pumpkin muffin recipe that's healthy, and so I thought we could make a fall treat because our little cake stand sitting on the counter is empty. So of course we need to fill it with a baked good. So let's go turn our kitchen into a bakery. This is what we got going on. Very simple ingredients. Okay, this is the recipe if you want to screenshot. This is what it's looking like. It looks exactly like the video, so that's good. I need to now add chocolate chips. I'm just gonna add in as many as we want. It looks so delicious. Okay, I don't really have a spray oil, so I'm just gonna butter it, and hopefully that does the trick. I feel like this is the best part, is scooping them out like this. I think this makes a perfect batch. Pretty good. Let's put them in the oven for 22 minutes. This is how you know you had a good day, if there are remnants of baking. There they are. Yum. Wow. I need to try one right now for you guys. Here it goes. They're pretty good. I must say, you can tell that they don't have refined sugar, but they're a pretty good snack. I feel like this would be yummy with some butter. It's actually really good. Yay, 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 yay. I'm kind of feeling handy right now, so we're gonna try to hang this shelf like right here. Okay, the hardest part is going to be measuring. Literally try to measure out exactly the middle of this. She's kind of good. Wow, I cannot believe I just did that. That looks so good. Okay, now we've got to decorate. Another task I've been putting off is also hanging up my projector. So that's what we're gonna do so that I can watch movies on this couch and it's just gonna set the whole vibe. It's probably gonna be the easiest thing to hang, but it's just literally this, and then you set your projector on it. Okay, the moment of truth. Okay. Wait, it looks pretty good. Wait, it's perfect. Ah! Wait, it looks so good. Perfect, 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 perfect. Going to prayer house. We're going to prayer house. I'm wearing the same outfit that I wore all day. Oh, walks out. You're late, per usual. But it's casual. We're casually late.
There's names out there that the Lord is inviting to the table. To the table. These names.
We're back. So we meet again in the bathroom because the lighting in here is just so good. It feels so fall. I'm wearing this cute little off-the-shoulder sweater, and I just wanted to close this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and are just having the most productive week ever. I feel like it just helps me feel organized when I write things down, when I set aside a day out of the week to just prioritize cleaning up my spaces and making to-do lists, grocery list, all of the different things. I think it just helps me just process mentally. So I hope you guys also did a little reset as you watch this. I can't wait for more little fall videos to come. This is so YouTuber of me, but please like this video and subscribe so that you can be a part of this little family. Go spend time with Jesus today. Whenever people watch my videos, I just ultimately want them to be inspired to go and spend time with Jesus, and so go do that today. That is the most helpful thing that you guys could be doing in this life, and so yeah, go spend time with him. He's waiting for you. He has a seat at his table, and we're gonna have a good week. Let the Lord motivate you and nothing else, truly, because he's the best.